Preparing raised garden beds for summer planting is a crucial step in ensuring a successful and bountiful harvest. The first step is to clear out any debris or weeds that may have accumulated in the bed over the winter months. This can be done by hand or with the help of a garden tool, such as a rake or hoe. Once the bed is clear, it's time to add some fresh soil. This can be a mix of topsoil, compost, and other organic matter to provide nutrients for the plants. It's important to mix the soil well to ensure that it is evenly distributed throughout the bed. After adding the soil, it's a good idea to test the pH levels to make sure they are suitable for the plants you plan to grow. This can be done with a simple pH testing kit available at most garden centers. If the pH levels are too high or too low, you can adjust them by adding lime or sulfur to the soil. Next, it's time to add some fertilizer to the bed. This can be a general-purpose fertilizer or one specifically formulated for the type of plants you plan to grow. Be sure to follow the instructions on the fertilizer package to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm your plants. Once the soil is prepared, it's time to plant your seeds or seedlings. Be sure to space them out according to the recommendations on the seed packet or plant tag. Water the plants thoroughly after planting to help them establish roots in the soil. Throughout the summer, be sure to water your plants regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Raised garden beds can dry out quickly, so it's important to check the soil moisture regularly and water as needed. It's also important to keep an eye out for pests and diseases that can affect your plants. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of damage or disease, and take action promptly to prevent further spread. As your plants grow, you may need to provide support in the form of stakes or trellises for taller plants, such as tomatoes or cucumbers. This will help prevent them from bending or breaking under the weight of their fruit. Finally, be sure to harvest your crops at the peak of ripeness for the best flavor and nutritional value. This may require checking your plants daily and harvesting as needed. By following these steps, you can prepare your raised garden beds for summer planting and enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, homegrown produce. Happy gardening!